Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paintology channel. Here I have the Samsung S6 Lite, and you've probably seen my unboxing and the quick install guide previously. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Paintology app. It's a drawing app. I primarily bought this tablet for the purpose of drawing because I really enjoy digital drawing, and I encourage all my users also to do drawing on their phones or tablet. It's a great pastime, and it can be something more interesting than just doing social conversations on Facebook, Instagram, etc. Drawing is such a fun pastime, and I would encourage all my users to give it a try if you have not done so. So here I'll be showing you the Paintology app that I will be installing now. So first of all, while you're on this home screen on the tablet or phone, click on Play Store, and then we will just go on, type Paintology. There it is. This shows up, and basically you can see a quick review of what this app is about. Go ahead and click on Install. So it's quite a slim app. As you can see, it takes it's quite fast to install. So go open. Okay, so once you've installed it from brand new, you will be presented with this screen. So it supports a few languages. If you're not, if your first language is not English, and you may select these. So I'll keep the English default. And this is the home page. So the home page is pretty clear enough. You have a section on video tutorials here, the community section, which is an interesting section for users, is they can post anything to that section. It has thousands of Paintology users, and you can go ahead and post your drawing. It doesn't have to be on Paintology, and you can share it with the others. It even has a chat function where you can chat with other users. And then the main area that you probably come to install the app is the drawer here. And the other areas we have my paintings, which is saved, basically saving your drawings here. And then you can access the comprehensive website that has blogs, tutorials, all kinds of articles related to drawing with the app or the phone. On My Resources, you have a section for uploading files and also doing file import in one go, and also checking the other blog sites of the Paintology and tutorials and various other resources. These banners are typical of the this home page. They're not intrusive at all. They are actually in fact useful. So this post and share is basically pointing to the community, and this one is showing you the link to install Paintology on Amazon. And this one is the big large banner, is basically to go to Udemy, where there are structured courses and classes free. A lot of them are free, so you can learn Paintology using a structured method of approach. And so let's look at the drawer, which is what we're interested in. And you have 4 modes of drawing here. You have the blank canvas, overlay image, trace mode, and camera image. So the blank canvas is simply a drawing canvas where you can become creative and just keep drawing, and which I'll show you in a minute. Overlays, you can import an image and from your local storage in the device and not trace over it, sorry. You can directly paint over it or draw over it. Trace is, exactly what it means. You import an image into your canvas, and you have 2 separate drawing. So you import a traced image in the canvas, and you can alternate between your canvas and the traced image. Camera is you can take a picture with your device or phone, and then you can import it in both overlay or traced image. The best thing to do is to try it out and learn that way. So let's go to the blank canvas here. So it will allow you to give this permission, which you should go allow here. And then here you are. You are presented with this blank canvas for all your drawing abilities, for all your drawing needs within your finger touch here. So you can select the color palettes here, and you have the brush tools here, and it's defaulted to the line tool. So here you can see here, then you can select the size of the brush and just use that. And then you can even have opacity, which is called the hardness setting, and then you can use that and then go through the color palette through here. So unlike other applications, this particular app doesn't require you to click through several areas just to get to the color palette. And the reason being is that the whole idea of this drawing is to allow you to draw and make many strokes at, without having to do so many click-throughs. And that's the reason why I can actually go and make photorealistic drawings, which you can also find on the video tutorials or on the Udemy courses, where I also teach you how to do photorealistic drawings. So this canvas has been designed for any artist who are good with their hands and want to improve their drawing skills to come here and just get ready to just draw as they see fit. So here we have another shade which I use quite a lot, and I have drawn photorealistic drawings with this also. So I hope I've given you something to look forward to when you come to do drawing. I believe this app over many other apps has a lot of features and functions. There are no intrusive ads or whatsoever, and you're free to be as creative as you want and draw with all the brush tools here. And there are many other features which you can also find, which I haven't shown you here. But if you wanted to look for more features and how to use them, simply go to the video tutorial section, and you will be able to try out some of the video tutorials and learn that way. And as I say to all my students, the best way to learn is just to try it. Don't wait for an instructor to teach you. Just go ahead and try it. Like for example, this create your brush is very intuitive. You can select the size here, right? Okay, and then let's save it as a name, right? And then there you have it. You have an actual brush here already selected. There you can see, and you have full control over the size, and you have all the other controls that you previously had. So this brush can be used in whatever manner that you want to use it as, and the limit is on your creativity. So I hope this has been helpful for you to embark on a journey of drawing, not just on the traditional medium, but on this digital medium, which gives you a taste of what drawing is all about. It doesn't have to be a big learning curve of getting the tools, trying to learn all the tools. It's actually keeps the focus on your drawing, and you think of this whole drawing on the digital to be as natural as drawing on traditional using pencil and paper or their likes. So until again, and I hope to see you again soon. So for another session with the Paintology. Bye for now.